So today, I don't think we're not going to be doing anything on this today, are we? It's more or less ready to go to the painters. We're still sieving through the painters at the minute. I think we've scared some off with it, you know. But there's a couple of people we spoke to and we've got some quotes together. We've just got to sort it out. And yeah, so the boot floor, I think we're just going to give it a clean up. I've stone chipped in the wheel well. I want to just clean all the inside of the car, get a hoover, and you see all like the dust off there, just clean all that off. Give it a good clean out on the inside. I've seam sealed down them edges where some of the seam seal was coming out a bit. So I've just whacked a new bit of seam sealer in and brushed a good bit in, just to tidy that up. The seam sealer where we've welded on that. Stuck the side skirts on, which we got there off the burgundy down the shelf. They were stored up on the shelf, so they went out a bit out of shape. So I've just kind of just whacked them on, just to get them back in shape. And on the burgundy shell, there's these little clips. I have found them online, about 100 quid. But I can get, they do the genuine arch clip, side skirt clips to the, like the lower bit on the sill. So nick some bungs out the other shell, which should put back in here, whatever's missing. Engine bay, I mean we've done the roof now, welded that up. I've just put some hard build primer on that, so the Bodywork guys can obviously sort all that out, get that all looking good. Got the silicone for the window off, all around the windscreen. It's just a little job what may take them a bit of time. We could have done it and just saves on a bit of money. Seam sealed underneath the wings where they're welded up like before. I don't think there was prepped underneath, so then it kind of went rusty and started rusting, so just seems little things like that. Yeah, that's about it. Just tidied up a few little bits. We're gonna get to, oh yeah, took the stuff to the Aqua Blasters, Vapor Blast, Aqua Vapor, one of those two. The guy's got them, so he's doing all the gearbox, basically all the aluminium bits, the exhaust manifold. We're gonna get that coated. So there's a couple more bits what I will take over to him, these bits here which we'll get off. So we're gonna get this out now, give it a good clean down. Got some elbow grease. And I've got parts washer fluid which I'm going to try on it, but I've used oven cleaner in the past and it works alright, you know, for them baked on stains.
What are you laughing at now?
Elbow grease?
Yeah, why are you laughing what I've got?
I'm not laughing at what you got.
Does see you go in there? No?
No, we're going to eat things.
Because you just drove past it twice.
Yeah, I forgot to go and get it and I forgot my wallet.
Oh.
Yeah,
Shock. You went through all that money yet?
What money?
Your doll money. Keep asking what occupation Stokes does, right? Yeah. He's on the rock and roll.
I'm not on it now, Dave. It's ended.
Liar.
You know, it's ended.
No, it's not. You're still getting it. You're going to claim maternity money. You are, look. You are, aren't you?
I'm not on the dole.
Yes, you was.
Universal credit is.
You're not allowed to go on it because you've moved back home with your mum and dad.
Because of the COVID crisis,
yeah,
you're allowed to claim universal credit. Oh, you've got dirty, ain't you, Dave?
Oh, sit down.
Sit down, sit down. Not on the... No, Dave! Dave! How am I going to Tesco and hang the meal deal? There's other shops available.
Waitrose is the best.
That's about £6.50 at the meal deal there.
Oh no, I thought you were wearing that to go and have Waitrose.
Oh, was that the best one to have?
Yeah.
Best bang for your buck.
best buck for your bang.
picture out of in between us, the tall guy.
Yeah. I don't know his name.
Right, he was going around. We missed the start of it. He went around this kid's house. He's like, it's like
2,000 years later.
no, he just seemed, and it was funny, and everything was in it.
Do you know what? Do you know, like I whinge and say you two eat each other's arse? I'm kind of glad he's doesn't really like me. Have you really? We really just had to listen to all that for niggas peak tongue.
That was
Greg Davis.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, I could have told you that.
You could have, but you didn't want to.
I just like your story.
Yeah. So,
Trying to find.
but what's your point? You tell me to watch it.
It's alright. It's alright. Yeah.
You've just got elbow grease on me.
It ain't elbow grease to me. That's bone washer. It washes down to your bone. We're gonna do a little test now. Which is better, elbow grease or oven pride? So if you're thinking about cleaning your oven or your engine, which is the best one? Should we do half an hour?
Put a bit of tape down the middle. See which one comes out.
We didn't mean to do this test. Dave just thought we'd have a go at him. If he pulled up with oven pride, I go, no mate, we needed elbow grease. He just bought both, so we didn't moan at him. So we're gonna just paint this all on this side now. We've got most of the crud.
Mm.
We ain't heard that
Classic.
for a while.
Classic. That is. I remember them days.
Yeah.
Good days.
The crud. That's when it was a laugh, wasn't it? No, it's a laugh now, isn't it? Yeah. Got most of the crud off. So hopefully now this will just strip any. Because what it is, not really with the steel, it kind of does, but with the aluminium, it kind of soaks up into the aluminium, don't it, Jack? When you keep spraying and cleaning it off, you'll still see it weeping out. So hopefully this will get this. I mean, ideally, you take the cylinder head off, but like I said, the head gasket's all good, it all ran good. If I take the head off this, we're gonna have to get it skimmed, get a new gasket, do all that, do all this, new head bolts. You know what I mean? You could say, well, take the head off, you could change the crank bearing. You know, how far do you go?
Mm.
You know what I mean? This engine ran well and it was alright. Bit tappety on the lifters. But that cleared after a bit. So anyway, we're gonna clean it up. Ideally you could take the head off and get it vapor blasted or whatever. But hopefully we can get good results with
Some elbow grease.
elbow grease and oven pride.
Do you want me to get the little brush?
Yeah,
There's a little brush, yeah.
In the what part? No, keep it. Can't go anywhere without you touching the pot.
There's the part, wash it.
over there, you're rubbing in it all.
So after 2 hours of waiting, what's the verdict?
What do you mean 2 hours waiting and me doing something? You taking a piss again?
Yeah.
I'm sick to death of you joining these YouTube fans and giving me ag. I do a lot behind the scenes that they don't see right yet. And you pair play up to it and give me a bad rep. And now I've got.
You give yourself.
I've got. No, what? How do I?
Just do. You do what you do, don't you?
I'm sorry that this is the personality I was given.
I'm not on about your personality.
You're just
I'm on about you sitting there.
What do you mean
You like
by
to
sitting
sit-
there?
you like to
When was the
what?
last time I turned up here hungover? I haven't.
What do you mean? Whatever.
You know the last time you turned up.
No, it was that long ago.
You went out last night.
When? Had a couple of vodkas.
There you go.
I'm not hungover though.
I can't. There's been a few mum jokes I've had to edit out because I feel bad in case your mum watches it.
Someone comments below. Why are you talking about me like that for? It's got a little specky thing on it. Looks like you looks like you.
He has like a little orgasm, have you seen?
He does, yeah. Look, we'll get him on there. We'll feature him.
Will you strap a GoPro to your head like
Yeah,
that?
look. Yeah. This is great. Look.
Class 377 from Littlehampton to Southampton Central.
What? It's a little sweet.
Coming up now is a Class 377 from Littlehampton.
Put one on Stokes' head now.
Yeah, shall
While
we?
he cleans his
There'll just be
engine.
my nose on there, that's all you'll see.
No, we ain't got a long enough extension for that. Going turkey though, ain't you? Hair, teeth and nose.
Come back and do it, man.
Buy 3, get the cheapest one free.
We could do a meal deal.
Meal deal, free for the price of one. You've not got it like where you need. Is your head like lopsided? No, we need it so your eyes look boggly like his. They kind of do now. Look up. Oh,
This is too much. It's just me and a camera. Stop it! I can't even. I can see myself looking.
We're having a bit of trouble with the Stokes cam, weren't we?
yeah, I think that's about. I think it'll be close, but I reckon it will.
That's gonna hit me in the face.
Kid, you know, is he still touching it?
Ah! You stabbed me in the head. Why do you have to be so forceful with stuff?
You could have took it off your head.
Yeah, but why is the fun in that?
Ow! Ow!
Is it just going to fall off?
Stop! Don't twang it.
Stop.
Oh, let's go.
It's gonna bounce everywhere. What? Did you see this on the head? All you can see. I didn't know. He's funny, no, wouldn't that keep going for
Oh,
You're not got a hat.
funny,
You're not
man.
got, yeah, give me your hat so I can hide half of it. It's hurting my forehead. There's got a bit of weight on that. What we do to get the camera angle.
Oh my god, that was funny.
Oh my god, it's tough.
So
Done it now. Look, I'm trying to do something. I'm the only one doing something. You're stopping me.
Now come on, let's show us your little trick. You told me about a trick, show me your trick. There it is, look.
Ow, everything you press on there goes straight to my head. I'm masking up all these flat areas where stuff gets bolted to. Yeah, you can't really paint them because it's going to cause a bit of issue.
Yeah.
Oh, obviously that's the oil filter or the sandwich plate. Little tap. Don't have to go crazy.
How has that even worked?
Oh, it hasn't now, has it?
Yeah, I'll go and buy the shop. Thanks.
it's a good tip that is, mate.
See, keeps it clean. You can do it out round you if you're going to paint your head.
When did Jack start digging this one out?
When you got here, I don't know what happened. You bring that energy, I think.
Dude, go and fuck off, man. See you
Oh, he's
later.
kicking you out now.
I know, yeah.
There'll be no one left but Dave, and then kick everyone out.
Imagine the kid. Why have you just done that?
You're messing with the spanner, you down.
A spanner.
Your fault we're in this mess.
Which mess? COVID.
Yeah, you're spreading, ain't you? Gonna have to take that off.
Oh my god.
What?
Should have stripped this engine properly.
Right, come on, close up.
Right, we're going to come back tomorrow, aren't we?
Yes.
Prime with the block and paint it up.
Yeah. I've got to get a little puller, or make a little puller to pull that off. And then...
Either that or you've got to come in down in the week.
I don't want coming down in the week.
Yeah, but he'll probably end up doing it on his own then, won't he?
Yeah, because you don't like. Why do you like hanging around with him and not me?
The battery's going to die. So.
You don't. You never hang around with me no more. I'm sick. I hate
Right, we're going to come back and finish priming this up.
They've ruined us.
Got all this taped up, showed you a little trick hopefully there with the...
Dave doesn't want to show his black eye off
yeah,
on
it's
camera.
scrapping, ain't it?
God.
It's scrapping.
Just. I play football on a Sunday.
Yeah, but you drunk till about football? Did you have to drink it off? Is that what was it? The pain?
Painkiller.
Keeping the swelling down. And I don't go out on a Friday or a Saturday anymore. Committed now.
So we're going to prime this, and then we're going to go over with just normal black engine paint, which is originally it was black. So let's see how it looks, eh? That is my best mate, that is. You know that thing of yeah, when James told me that little trick, I thought that is fucking amazing.
You've got too much in get it too thick that it takes over that board badge. Why don't you have the end? Why don't you have the end? Back of that, no good.
Got to the head off.
No good.
Well, can, but then we've got to get new head gasket, get the head skin, get the head bolt, new
Don't
head
it need
bolt.
new head gasket?
Ran fine before. Yeah, but the thing is then, does it need bottom end bearings? Does it need it? Before you know it, you're all in pieces.
Okay,
It
okay.
ran fine. At the end of the day, we've stripped it as far back as we can. We're going to then build it back up.
Okay, come on.
Ordered some bits from Burton Power. Got all new gaskets, all new head studs, not head studs, head exhaust head bolts, studs, nuts.
You got
Inlet,
these?
yeah, all new inlet ones.
So we've got to take these off as well now.
Yeah, we've got to get them back out. So we've got all new gaskets, new water pump cam belt, new...
Didn't you only just do
Yeah,
that?
but at the end of the day...
You might as well do it again.
Yeah. So, what else have we ordered? About 600 quid's worth of gear basically. So you'll see when it comes in the post. But we should get the stuff from Aquabasting back. So hopefully the next episode will be us, and we'll get I'm getting this all bolted back together then.
How long do you reckon?
Want to get it bolted
Couple
back
of
together?
weeks.
Get it bolted back together.
Couple
We've
of
got all the bits, mate. If we've got all the bits, you'll do it in one.
One sitting,
mate.
yeah?
Yeah.
Saturday.
Long as we don't forget to put the stuff in.
Drop her back in there.
Pardon?
Drop her back in.
Yeah. Well, we're going to get painted, aren't we? Painters, man. We're going to end up painting this ourselves. With rattle cans.
Oh, you can see on the engine we do a good
Oh, look
job.
at that, mate. Look at that. Nice, isn't it?
Spankers.
No trouble is, Dave. It's our Peugeot 205.
I know, yeah, I did see that.
You've got one, haven't you?
Have you?
That's a bit far gone for a project.
It's orange as well, aren't it?
Could do that, couldn't we? What do you reckon? Should we do a 205?
Nah.
But you haven't seen this 205. If you'd seen this 205, you go, lads, just take it to scrapyard.
Yeah, let's go and scrap the other thing.
Is it? No, let's do something with it. As we was prying this off like idiots, we've damaged it. But luckily, Burton Power sell a new one.
How did you get it off in the end?
I made a pulley up. I did put this off. I did get a bit of footage, so okay, I made a little pulley up to pull it off because ours was a bit seized on, so that got it off in the end. Because if you don't, that will end up smashed to pieces, and it costs you 60 quid off Burton Power or whatever. Luckily they did one because I thought we're going to struggle there, but I think they are the same, I think, as well on a Pinto. So you can nick one of them off a Pinto because the bottom end is basically a Pinto, apparently. With a Cosworth. I think the only Cosworth bit on a Cosworth is the head.
Is it?
Yeah, everyone's worrying about Cosworth. The only thing is it's just the head.
And everything's Pinto.
Wow, the pistons are different, cranks will be different and stuff like that. Wow, let me know. But
And then lads.
Please like, follow, share and subscribe.
and hit the what?
What?
Hit you what?
And it bell.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell.
Go on
Hit the bell
Instagram.
button.
Go on Facebook.
So you get notifications every time we drop something decent.
I'm scared of it.
Imagine that this is going to come back one colour. I'm really excited for it, you know. Because at the moment, it's burgundy,
Well, keep saying
burgundy
come back one
moonstone,
colour,
blue.
I think we should just leave it like that. The rate we're struggling with getting painters to paint it. Should we just leave it like that?
Leave that. It's going to take that long. I'm going to forget where stuff goes.